Welcome to my channel, Tea and Teacher. I have just come back from my school and I was having tea, so just thought of making this video. Since one of my teacher came to me and was asking, ma'am, I'm finding it very difficult to have a work-life balance as a teacher. So I just thought of making this. So my personal recommendation, first one is be organized. Be organized not only in your school but be organized at home also. So when you keep your things organized at home, you make a plan to do list not only in the home and also in the school, you will be able to keep a balance. So plan your activities, plan your weekly planner, plan your resources ahead. Same thing at home, do your things, cut the vegetables, whatever is required to do, the shopping list and everything, keep ready, note it down, jot it down, so that it becomes easier for you to manage in the day to day routine. नेक्स्ट इज वर्क स्मार्टर एंड नॉट हार्डर. व्हेन आई से वर्क स्मार्टर, आपने ये सुना होगा, वर्क स्मार्टर का मतलब होता है कि यू हैव टू remove all the unnecessary things from your do list. First you have to make a priority list, thinking this is important, this is important, this is important. So try to do and finish those important things first and then go to the less important things. This way you will be able to keep yourself with the pace of everyday routine. Next is avoid chatter when you're planning. Always a teachers, what they do is when they sit together, they have this habit of chatting, where you lose your productive time. Next, cultivate a life outside the classroom. Have a social life, go out with your colleagues, go out with your friends in the evening, go and spend time with the other people and your family members. You will feel very nice inside, and that way you will be able to relieve your stress if whatever anything have happened in the school also. Next is don't try to be perfectionist. I always say कि perfectionist का मतलब होता है कि आपको हर चीज़ सही तरीके से चाहिए. बट what will happen when you will go into that mode of being a perfectionist, आपको हमेशा ऐसा लगेगा I am not a good mother, I am not good a good teacher. So that way, or I'm not a good wife, I'm not a good teacher. So this way you will always be in a rut that I'm not able to do things effectively. But when you say to yourself I am good at what I do, you will be out of that perfectionist mode. Next is schedule your time to do nothing. Yes, once in a while make a time where you are doing nothing. Just relax yourself, or cultivate a hobby. Do whatever is of great love to you, you feel passionate about. Try to do that. Next is invest in your development. I am always saying that a teacher needs to develop herself each and every day, because when you are updated and you are updated with the knowledge which is going around, which is there in the environment, if you attend new webinars and all, you will expand your knowledge and you will be good at it, and that will make you feel very nice inside. Okay, I am capable, I am good, and I'm managing everything. Next is celebrate success, even if it is small, even it is big. Okay, small success means I achieved today this, I did it in a very nice way, my children were very happy today by learning through this activity. So these are your small achievements. Celebrate that. Tell the other teachers and celebrate it. Eat an ice cream, share with everyone, or whatever you want to do. Celebrate that success. That will give you an happy mood inside okay, you're doing it very nicely and you're managing everything. That mindset you will have, okay, I'm balancing, I'm doing everything very nicely, happily and easily. Next is practice reflective writing. When I say practice reflecting writing, means whatever has happened today, or whatever has happened at home, or whatever has happened in my school today, make it a point that you keep a diary where you keep on writing and you keep on reflecting. When you reflect, you will start understanding where you're going wrong, where you're going right, what happened right today. Was it a right behavior of yours as a teacher, or was this a right behavior as a mother or a wife or a daughter-in-law? So that way this will give you an edge to make a life and keep your life balanced. These are the only few things which I'm sharing from my personal experience, which I have gathered, through my years of teaching. I hope this will be helpful to you, and you do like my videos if you like the motivational things which I keep on sharing with you, and keep coming back to Tea and Teacher.